away in another land, with books and dreams inside my hand. People smile, the days move fast, but my heart keeps running to the past. I think of home when night comes down, a little place off familiar ground, the sound of laughter, stories we'd share. Now I only feel them in the air. I miss you, my family, more than words can say. Though the ocean and distance keep me far away, every memory still lives inside my heart. Even when the world keeps us apart, take care of yourselves until we meet again. May God protect you through sunshine and rain. Distance separates us, but love remains true. One day, if God permits, I'll come back to you. I miss the stories under evening sky, the way we laughed until tears filled our eyes. I miss the garden, the soil in our hands, planting hope together on our family land. I miss the meals, the voices at night, the simple things that made life bright. Here overseas I try to be strong, but homesick feelings stay too long. I miss you, my family, more than words can say. Though the ocean and distance keep me far away, every memory still lives inside my heart. Even when the world keeps us apart, take care of yourselves until we meet again. May God protect you through sunshine and rain. Distance separates us, but love remains true. One day, if God permits, I'll come back to you. Put God first in everything you do, and every morning may His mercy cover you. When life is hard and days are unclear, remember His love is always near. I may be far, but I still pray for home and family every day. May peace be with you where you are. My love can travel near and far. I miss you, my family, deep inside my soul. Being far from home has taken its toll, but I'll keep studying, I'll keep moving on. With your love behind me, I'll remain strong. Take care of my family till we meet again. May God guide your steps through joy and pain. Distance separates us, but love remains true. One day, if God permits, I'll come home to you. So tonight, I whisper across the sea, family, please remember me. I miss your love, your laugh, your care, and in my heart